Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tyler, and welcome back to Rusty Clam Garage. Today, we just got done bleeding the brakes on the red crew cab Hannah's truck. Sheldon bleed the brakes. Keep pumping the pedal. Look at those. What are those? Keep pumping the pedal. Today, I'm going to be taking the whole front end apart. Side fenders. I think I'm going to leave the front clip on, but I'm going to paint it. Take the hood, probably the doors, everything off, because the doors, we're switching all the internals of these over to the replacement doors, and I just need to paint everything in the front. I really want to get at the engine and clean it and try to paint the engine bay and the engine. So yeah, we're gonna get more access to it, but anyway, I'm just gonna throw some music on and start stripping it down. So I'm gonna put this camera up in a corner somewhere, and you can just kind of watch the whole thing. Alright, so I guess the phone just decided it was gonna stop recording, or it overheated somewhere halfway through that, but we have all the doors off. Hannah helped me take them off. Now you can kind of see more what we are working with, or what we're not working with. Yeah. So it's pretty bad, but I'm gonna continue to take the front end apart here. I gotta figure out how I'm getting the hood off, if she can help me or not, or if I'm waiting tomorrow for, I think Jesse's coming to do that. But anyway, gonna move some stuff around, and I'll be back in a few. I know what you're thinking. That looks safe, and I can assure you, it's not. But I'm gonna attempt to undo the hood, and maybe Hannah will help me take it off. Right? Right? You gonna help me? Hello? She hates me. Okay. All right, so the hood's off. I don't know if that was the right way to do it or not, but it was the easiest way for us to do it. Yeah, now I'm gonna take the front fenders off.
Hey, Amazon.
Hell yeah. All right, so I ran into a snag, and I don't have my Torx bits with me because I don't have my work truck. It has all my personal tools in it, well, most of them. So got the hood off and everything, and tomorrow I think Jesse's coming over, but early tomorrow morning I'm going to get my work truck, so I have all my tools, and yeah, take the grill off so I can get the rest of the bolts out of the fenders, take those off, get it all done. I got a pressure washer and some shit to clean it. So yeah, anyway, pick this video back up tomorrow. Sean's here. We're back another day with the Rusty Clam, and Sean and Jesse are here. Jesse's doing the tires for both trucks. We got the wheels changed out for the crew cab. Those are on. We got the front fenders off, and I'm just starting to pressure wash the engine bay. So I'm just gonna set up and start cleaning. Let's do it. pretty much this entire engine is covered in oil and shit. So I'm gonna put some degreaser on it, let it sit, and then we'll do it again. Alright, so it's all cleaned up, ready to continue work on it. That's all I'm going to record for today, for right now. We're going to do some other stuff, but yeah. Bye.